Easy to install, tight and accurate bass. Package dimensions: 8.1 cm x 26.7 cm W x 48.0 cm h. 2 ohm stereo, 4 ohm bridged full range operation. Package weight: 6.0 lbs. Frequency response: 10 Hz to 32 kHz plus 10 Hz to 400 Hz. This amplifier is designed to overtop in both power and reliability compared to anything else on the market in its class. Electronically engineered for efficiency, strong built and high quality that would surpass your expectations. This will give you a powerful, high definition and detailed sound quality that you would really enjoy without taking over your control. Above all these, this amplifier comes with an auto protection breaker that will give you a peace of mind against various reasons like overheating, low voltage and electrical shortage. Top reviews from the United States. I've been really mean to this amp and it just keeps putting out. Very impressed. I mounted this amp inside the center ceiling of a town country, upside down, with a small fan on it. South Carolina sun never shut it down. It's powering 4, Infinity PR9603 ISH 3 ohm 6x9s, amp is rated 4 ohm, and a single ported 10 scar enclosure at 1 ohm, sub-output is rated for 2 ohm. It's been 6 months of constant abuse and it's taking it like a champ. I held off on this review because I wanted to see how it held up. So far, I am beyond impressed. Watch the video. I don't own the rights to the music, obviously, and the phone mic doesn't do it justice. Really immersive experience, especially in a big van. Message me if you want to know the exact combo I used. It's loud, but also very detailed. Surprised myself.